Hey everyone, Gil here of Gray Man Prepping. It's been a couple days since I actually videoed one of my exercises. Been doing a lot of snow shoveling, clearing stuff out, and then working on the gazelle and the weight bench at odd times during the day. Got a bunch of stuff to talk to you about at the very end here. Updates on a lot of things. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and get at it and start the gazelle. Okay, so I did half an hour on the gazelle, 240 calories, kept up a higher pace than normal. Whew. So I'll edit this in several hours after I get some stuff done around here. I got a bunch of propane tanks I got to take down and get filled, and I got to put a couple more pieces of the OSB up in the shop, so that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. All right, coming up here, before I jump into that, once again, the Your Prep for Days videos are back out again. And yeah, so they should be, all one for this morning should already have been out. Alrighty, tonight on Survival Saturday, the topic is saws for thriving in Twaki. And those of you who don't know what Twaki is, it's the end of the world as we know it. And it's the level 4 of disasters, of the earth falling apart, not the earth, but civilization falling apart. Okay, so that topic was suggested by Cold War Prepper, and he will be the guest on the live stream tonight. Monday on Camp Patton Family Compound, we're continuing talking about canning, and the topic is cold pack versus hot pack. Talking about packing vegetables and meat, whether to do it pre-cooked or not. Tuesday, back here on Gray Man Prepping for Tactical Tuesday, the topic is biggest lies preppers are being told. I did about 2.5 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, I did this topic, and there was 13 big lies, and some people are out there telling, expanding upon those lies. So we got a few more big lies that preppers are being told by prepper channels. All right, Thursday is the midnight ride. We're starting earlier. We're starting at midnight London time, which makes it 9 o'clock Eastern time. All right, Friday on Camp Patton Family Compound, Friday night on the homestead. It's the Ides of March, and we're going to be looking at history. And we shall hopefully have some fun. And then next Saturday on Survival Saturday, it's cooking with charcoal. Alright, so those are the items coming up here. If you haven't been following the videos over on Camp Patton Family Compound, got all the snow removed out of the driveway that I can remove. Got a lot of the street cleared. I got the area across the street cleared. Got my daughter's driveway cleared out pretty good. And I started going down the street either direction and getting it widened up so two cars can actually pass each other without one driving up into the snow and getting stuck. I've gone down to the corner and turned, going up that way a little bit, and I've gone past the my property on this side of the street, and on the other side I'm down to the big gate going to the field. So if I get a chance today, I'm going to go out there and extend it a little bit farther down as well. The garden, indoor garden. My tomato plants are about that tall, and the cabbage is about that tall, and the lettuces, biggest one I can see is probably about like that tall, but it's got multiple leaves on it already. So my indoor garden's coming along, and it's going to be producing edible lettuce here probably in about 4 weeks. So, which puts it ahead of where I thought it was going to be. All right, speaking of indoor gardens, last night on Camp Patton Family Compound, we did hydroponics, and cover more just hydroponics, all the variants, aeroponics and aquaponics as well. And so talked about the kits you can buy for, just set it up on the kitchen counter or wherever in the house, to a bunch of DIY systems you can do. And some of those ones you set up are for indoors that are prefabbed, are getting pretty elaborate nowadays. So if you're interested in that, you may want to go back and check out that live stream from last night. Alrighty, prices are still going up at the stores. Some things are becoming not totally missing, but lacking in the number at the store. I went to Albertsons yesterday because that's the only store around here that carries relish that does not have high fructose corn syrup in it. It's the Signature Select brand that Albertsons, Safeway, and Lucky's carry. And I grabbed 4 jars of it, and I left 4 jars on the shelf. Yeah, they've been lacking in that. Alrighty. Also, what I noticed when I was there, that they had a shortage of beef bologna. They had plenty of turkey bologna. They had plenty of mixed meat bologna. And so, but they had a definite lack of beef bologna from Oscar Mayer. So, gotta go. Maybe if I get up to Idaho Falls again, I'll hit the other Albertsons and see what they look like. All right. So just remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill, and try to grow something indoors. If you have to go out and buy one of those, there were some ones that were on sale last night for the aeroponic system, aquaponic systems, for down as low as $39. There were some were 20-30% off. I'm not sure how many of those are still going to be on that much of a discount, but you may want to go check on Amazon for those. All right, but whatever it is, grow something indoors.